Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Jaguar XE. On this Jaguar XE we're going to go over where you find or how you open up the trunk from the inside. There is two ways to open up the trunk from the inside. One is your electric button that opens up the trunk, but there's also the manual one to open up the trunk in case the electric isn't working. So right here we have the electric button that will open up the trunk. So if you have power to the vehicle, you can press that and it will open up the trunk. Now if there's no power to the vehicle, you would have to go and be able to pop the hood and add some power to the terminals up front and then be able to open it that way. Or you can manually go through the back seat and reach in there and pull the handle to open up the trunk. So this is the trunk has been open, and this would be the handle that you would be reaching for to manually open up the trunk. And the way you get to that is through this access panel, and I'll show you what it looks like from inside. So right here you have this access panel where your armrest would go, and what you do is you reach right up here to the top and you're able to pull that down, and right in there, the glow-in-the-dark handle, you can reach in there, pull that, and that will open up the trunk if you have no means to be able to give power. And the reason you would need to know that is because your battery is right there inside the trunk, and that's where your power is. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.